Okay, dear all, welcome on our presentation. And I actually want to open up with a quick question or a thing that you can think about. What was the first game that you've ever played? Maybe some of you think about rock, paper, scissors. And it's actually an idea that we are about to build on. And we decided that we want to upgrade it, because all those things that you can already find on Telegram. Therefore, we developed Shelbot. As you can tell, we already rebranded our project. Okay, so in rock, paper, scissors, you have those three basic elements. But in our game, we add lizard and Spock. Maybe it's familiar to some of you already. Maybe. We had here a scene which is actually from the Big Bang Theory. Maybe now it's more familiar to you because this is the game that Sheldon invented. There is more combination that we are actually talking about. Okay, so if someone is interested, let me know and we can share the video with you later on. Okay, let me skip it now. Okay, but now let's talk numbers. So we were thinking, how many active users are actually using Telegram every day? And it's 55.2 million of people. And we were thinking, okay, how many of those people can be familiar with this show, or at least with the game Paper, Rock, Scissors, Lizard, and Spock? So we figured out that it can be number of 30 million people that we are about to target. But let me invite the guys and tell you more about how it actually works, because I'm not a tech person here.
Okay, perfect. I will start about the contracts and how we managed to work with Fancy and Tone blockchain in general. Actually, it was my first meetup with Fancy this Friday, so yeah, we didn't have a really good relationship at the beginning because we didn't understand each other and it was hard to somehow communicate. And but I think during Saturday it break a bit and we started actually developing some contracts in Fancy. And at the end, I think Adam, if you can show the repo of our contracts. Okay, nice. Okay, perfect. So this is our repo for the contract. Uh, we are using the, if you scroll down a bit to read me, if it's possible, yes. As a base template, we have decided to use Tone Starter contract. It was basically because I wasn't able to run the light client, so I wasn't able to use Tonsley. So we used this template, and it worked pretty well. And I was surprised that yeah, it gave us all the possibility to test, write, and deploy the code. So it was everything we needed. And okay, so let's talk about how our project works. So basically, it's a Telegram bot. So you have to go to this nickname, which is blockchain robot bot, and when you appear in the chat, you will yes, you will see something like this. More about our backend and how this is done is up to Adam.
Okay, hello. So there's some work still ahead of us, but I'll show you what we have, and then I'll tell you what we plan to do next. So for now, you have to type /begin, and so it tells us that we've been added to the game, and that we are be playing. That there are 4 players in so right now we haven't implemented the Spock and Lizard as of yet.
Because of
But we have-
rebranding.
We have rock, paper, scissors at least.
MVP.
Huh?
MVP.
Oh yeah, it's an MVP. Okay, so right now, we are playing against a bot. So there's 3 bots and us, and so I make my choice, paper, and so I won this round, and so now I play the next round, and unfortunately I lost. And then we can start over. So this is what we currently have, but of course we have to also implement the connection of the wallet of the user. So the way it's gonna work is when you type begin or click a button, there will be the Telegram web app, the big window, and there will be a button to connect your wallet, for example, Donhub. And then you will send, for example, 1 token to our contract, and that those fees collected from the users will then be sent to the winner at the end, and also 10% will be sent to a charity.
Yes, yes. It's like a concept. Let's say it's like gambling-driven charity, because people will just play. They will gamble their money, and if sometimes they win, sometimes they lose, and but at the end, from every game that happen, like 10% goes to charity. So it's like taking the wrong side of gambling, that people are risking their assets, and at least pointing something, some goodwill from these actions, like gambling and things like that.
So
Yes.
unfortunately we're out of time.
Yes, I think we have questions over there.
He coming from gambling company long time ago. What is the logarithm behind the gaming experience X towards winning? The formula. How do you differentiate the winners between losers? Based on what they invest.
Right. So right now, I mean, there are the rules of rock, paper, scissors, and
Probability. Let's say probability.
right.
What is intense?
Yeah, well,
Yeah.
it depends on how many players. The way we were thinking about it at the beginning was if there was 1 million players.
No, let's go with, we have 100 players, and
Mhm.
we have 100%. Let's go with that probability. Where it comes from. And you have rock, paper, scissors, and you have added 2 more options to that.
Yeah,
Yeah, what's the probability?
probably low, but yeah, those are.
Yeah,
details.
it's like
We'll
you
work
have
it out.
50% chance in every match to win, and the probability depends on how many matches you have to win in a row, because you have to win every match in a row, because it's like a battle royale game. So there is one address with standing class, so that address had to.
Formula for that. What's the index formula for this?
I think we just use some random function, and we just choose a random function between 3 options. It's rock, paper, or scissors, and then
That's 55. You added 2 of the options, so it changes the probability. What's the probability of winner in this game?
Well, I think it's actually the same because, there's always a match between 2 people and one of them has to win. So it doesn't matter if there are 3 or 5 options, but one of those people will win.
What is the pool? The 2 people are.
Yeah,
in the pool.
always 2 people against each other.
Yes,
basically.
yes,
So
yes.
it goes like, this like a spider net.
it's like dueling. Let's say like if we 4 play, then I play against you, you win, and they play against each other.
Yeah,
One of them win, and
if it's the 4 of us, what's the percentage?
what's the percentage?
The probability of me winning.
Well, 25%, I guess.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, so
Yeah, so
Okay.
I wanted to ask, how can I be sure that the system is not cheating? Like, how does it work when I press rock? What happens? Do I commit my rock to the smart contract immediately, or
Right.
Does it send to your server
Yeah.
first?
Yeah.
So ideally, we haven't quite worked out the contract yet, so that it runs on the contract. For now, it runs on the bot, on the backend, but we want to implement so that the logic is on the contract.
Yes, currently our contract is not working with the players. It only like lock tokens, and after the tokens are locked, we just start the game, and then our backend admin sends the request that this guy won. So we trust our backend admin 100% that he's providing us correct winner. So this you cannot be sure that it's 100% decentralized because at this implementation it's not, but it's something that we want to implement in the future. It's like the whole gaming engine would be in the FunC smart contract.
In that case, the second part of the question, let's say I commit my rock to smart contract in the future version.
Uh-huh.
In that case, how would you be able to prevent others from like observing the blockchain? For example, there are two players. I play rock. Another person who is not just a simple Telegram user, he observes the blockchain and he sees that I committed rock to the blockchain and he chooses paper as a response.
Mm-hmm.
So because if you commit everything to blockchain, there is a problem of like observers, people who like.
Okay. Yes. Yes.
So how do you plan to?
I have no idea. I'm still having a hard time to implement dictionary in FunC, so yeah, I think I would start there and yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Thanks.
Maybe we can try to create some like session ID and based on like a no hash of the rock, and like your responses will be encoded.
Yeah. I mean,
So-
you can do this on the website, but on a Telegram bot.
You need to create
I don't think-
centralized backend. It's bottleneck, yeah. Maybe it's kind of about it.
Yeah, I mean, it's possible to do it on the front end if it was like the JavaScript on the website, but in a Telegram bot,
Yeah,
I
yeah.
can't immediately see how to fix it.
Maybe we can create backend open source and like everyone check.
Okay, thank you very much.
Okay, perfect. Thank you.
Thank you.